opens with a shot of a calendar. The camera zooms in on a date, and then 15 subsequent days are circled in red marker. The scene quickly cuts to a person looking at the camera with a determined expression. Need to make some extra cash and fast. What if I told you that you could potentially earn an extra $500 in just 15 days? It might sound like a challenge, but with the right strategy and a bit of hustle, it's entirely possible. The key is to leverage the skills and resources you already have. Forget about get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about practical, actionable steps you can start taking today. This isn't about long-term business plans. It's about a short, focused sprint to boost your income. Ready to see how you can make it happen? Let's dive into some powerful ways to hit that $500 goal. Scene transitions to a person sitting at a desk, typing enthusiastically on a laptop. Animated logos for freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com pop up around the screen. First up, unlock the power of the gig economy. Do you have a talent for writing, graphic design, social media management, or even just data entry? There are millions of people and businesses out there looking for someone with your exact skills. Create a compelling profile on popular freelance websites and start bidding on projects. Focus on small, quick turnaround jobs at first. You might design a logo for $50, write a short blog post for $75, or manage a social media account for a week for $100. These small wins add up quickly. By completing just a handful of these gigs, you'll be well on your way to that $500 target. Before you know it, the trick is to be proactive, deliver high-quality work, and build momentum. The video now shows a person in their living room, neatly arranging items like clothes, books, and old electronics on a clean surface. They take well-lit photos with their smartphone. Icons for eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark appear. Next, turn your clutter into cash. Look around your home. Chances are you have valuable items just collecting dust. That old smartphone, the designer jacket you never wear, the video games you've already completed, or even that stack of textbooks from college could be worth a surprising amount of money. Give them a new life and put cash in your pocket by selling them online. Take clear, attractive photos and write honest, detailed descriptions. List your items on platforms like Facebook Marketplace for local sales to avoid shipping hassles. Or use apps like eBay or Poshmark to reach a wider audience. You could easily make $20 from an old video game, $50 from a piece of clothing, and over $100 from unused electronics. Decluttering your space while padding your wallet is a definite win-win. The final scene shows a close-up of a wallet being opened to reveal a fan of cash. The person holding the wallet looks up and smiles confidently at the camera. The text "Start Now" appears boldly on the screen.